Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate your spending patterns with the Bank of America Cash Rewards, complete guide step by step clearly. To automate your spending patterns with the Bank of America Cash Rewards card, start by logging into your Bank of America online account. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts tab at the top of the page. Select your Cash Rewards credit card from the list of accounts. Next, look for the Rewards section on the left-hand menu. Click on Cash Rewards to view your current rewards categories. Identify the categories where you spend the most, such as gas, online shopping, or groceries. Go to the Customize option to modify your rewards categories based on your spending habits. Choose the category that best matches your highest spending. Make sure to save your preferences after making any changes. Next, enable automatic cashback by visiting the Manage Your Rewards section. Select the option to redeem your cash back automatically at the end of each billing cycle. Set up alerts under the Notifications section to monitor your spending and rewards. This ensures you remain informed when your cash back is credited. Consider linking your Cash Rewards card to your Bank of America mobile app for easier tracking. Use the app's budgeting tools to analyze your spending patterns. Regularly review your transactions to ensure you are maximizing rewards. Create a schedule to revisit and adjust your categories as your spending changes. By following these steps, you can effectively automate and optimize your spending patterns with Bank of America Cash Rewards. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.